Let's fix it. Go to the this PC and check the C drive have enough memory space or not. Minimum 80 to 100 GB is needed. It's recommended. If it's not having means you need to keep the C drive as 80 to 90 GB free space. The next you need to go to Epic Game Launcher and go to the download settings. Click it and here you can see the download setting is that. Click it and you have see the default installer. It will install in C drive. So if you not have enough memory space, then you need to change the drive location. For example, in this E drive means you need to go with E drive and download speed. If enable means you need to disable the download speed. Make sure it should be in disable mode. Once complete after you need to close it. And the third step you need to go to search and search for run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage and click OK. In this scroll down and check for Epic Games. You have seen the two folders Epic Games. Epic Games is consist of only the Epic online services and the Epic Game Launcher is that. So you need to check the catch file is available or not. Sometimes the destination change means it will available in both. So you need to check it and delete the web cache. So if it's not deleted means you need to go to the task manager and check the Epic Game Launcher is running in background or not. Sometimes if it's running in background means it's not deleted. So you need to end the task. After ending you need to try again. So after you need to go to crashes and if in crashes folder anything having means you need to delete all the crashes file. Then go back. Then fourth step you need to go to this PC and go to C drive and go to program files and go to Epic Games and here if which games is not downloading or installing means you have the folder, you need to delete that folder. Inside you have all the things, you need to delete that folder. After deleting you come back, just click as delete the folder. After that you need to go to the settings and here you can see the scroll down and you can see the network and internet setting is tab. Click it and here advanced network setting is tab. You need to click the advanced network settings and go to network reset and reset now. Click the reset now. Once reset is complete after you need to again come to the Epic Game Launcher and download it. Thank you.